You guys are ready for a game changer? You got a plate full of raw vegetables or steamed vegetables. Pour a bunch of chili cheese sauce over the top and you're in a completely different world. And we're gonna make that in our Instant Pot today. That's me, I am Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. We're gonna go ahead and mix some of this chili cheese sauce together. Alright, let's get started. We'll take a medium clove of garlic, thin slice that. And we'll take one large jalapeno, cut the top off and slice it in half. Now we can take out our seeds and some of that white flesh, take some of the heat out. You can leave it in if you like it hot. We'll take that jalapeno, and we'll slice it and then we'll dice it. Beautiful. And let's rub about a tablespoon of olive oil into our pot. It'll make cleanup easier at the end. We're gonna add 2 cans of no bean chili. You can add any chili you'd like, really. I'm a fan of the no bean chili. Go ahead and add your 32 ounces of Velveeta cheese and your jalapenos and garlic. And we're gonna give it its chili character by adding plenty of chili powder. And then we're gonna get it nice and smoky by adding some paprika and some cumin. Let's give it a little bit more flavor with just a little bit of cayenne pepper. You can put your slow cooker lid on or your Instant Pot lid on. Just open the valve. Hit your slow cooker button. Make sure you turn off your keep warm function for it to work. And you'll see a fire underneath your pot if it's working right. We got plenty of time to pour ourselves a refreshing beverage. Doesn't that look cool? Well, cheers to all you out there. After your 2 hours are up, we'll take our lid off. You can see it's a little roasty toasty on top. We'll stir all those ingredients together until it's nice and ooey gooey. Put your lid back on and we'll turn our slow cooker function back on. Make sure you turn off your keep warm function. After an hour, our jalapeno and garlic had enough time to soften up and release its flavor into the rest of the sauce. Look at that chili cheese sauce. Great for parties, I'll tell you. Make sure you put plenty in your serving dish. It goes quick. There you go. Pull a carrot or some broccoli through it and you got yourself some health food. Or go traditional, dip a salty tortilla chip. Yeah, fantastic work, everybody. Thanks for helping me cook some chili cheese sauce. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we have another video out there for you to watch. Give us a thumbs up and share us with your friends and family. If you are interested in this recipe, there is a link in this video's description that'll take you right to it and you can print it off. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We appreciate all you guys. Take care of yourselves out there. Bye-bye.